This video is all about my new YouTube desk setup. I've been working on this for a very long time, and it all started last year when I joined a mastermind group. More in a second. First, coffee. Okay, so here's my current studio. You can see I've put sound absorption blankets all across the wall here. And then I've bought these 3 little cabinets that are gonna go underneath the new desk. Let me set this down. The new desk, which is gonna be here, okay? And I'm gonna put all these monitors on that for that setup. And then I've got my video setup. Get the iMac Pro right here. Got 2 lights, and then I also have some other cameras here. This is the Sony mirrorless. It's another Sony mirrorless to do a shot down below. This whole setup would never have been possible if I hadn't have joined a mastermind. So last year, my friend sends me an email saying, hey, you gotta check out this mastermind group where these people are showing you how to live stream video. And I thought, I don't really care about live streaming video, but I joined the mastermind anyway, and it's called Live Streaming Pros. And they show you exactly what you need. They talk about all the equipment, they talk about the software, they talk about literally everything you could possibly need to do a live streaming setup. So that helped me build all of this right here behind me. The cameras, the microphones, the lights, everything. Got some sweet pro tips. I'll link to them down below. They're not paying me to promote it. I just thought it was really cool. But what I've been working on lately, this is a memory card holder, but what I've been working on lately is I got these desks that I have here at Ikea, and they're just not big enough. I've kind of outgrown this current setup. That's why I bought these right here. These are about 3 feet high, and they go underneath on each side of the desk. So that's what I'm gonna be using. And then I've also got these, which are extenders on it. So watch this. What these do is you actually mount these right here, like on the setup. Check this out. You mount these, one on each corner, and then the countertop sits on top of this instead of directly on this right here. It could go directly on this, but you mount these, you put them in, and then it sits directly on top of this here, and it feels really sturdy, so that's what I'm gonna do. So look, the kitchen countertop that I'm gonna use as the desk just arrived. I'm not even, look at this, I'm not even close, but look at this. You can see what it looks like as the wood topper. Look at that wood grain. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Okay, this countertop that I'm using as a desk is freaking rock solid. But unfortunately, as I was lifting it, hit my big toe, it was bleeding everywhere, it was nasty. Took me a little out of commission yesterday, but here's where we're at. I'm still getting this set up. Check this out. Okay, so what I have is my other desk back here. I've got the main monitor, 2 other screens. I'll show you that. Look, I've got the main monitor desktop here, 2 other screens right there. Again, the blankets behind me. And then I've also got this mic arm that's mounted into the actual desk. I'm gonna have to move that for sure. But I mean, look at this right here. We've got this, I've got my green juice right there. But look at this thing. It's huge, and it just sits on these little drawers that actually come out where I can put all of this stuff. This external hard drives. Look at all these I've got down here. Okay, I got that one set up, and this is looking really good. So check this out. Supported by this. That's one. And then the other one over here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this one yet. Keep them like this or parallel. I'm still deciding. I've gotten one step closer to building my dream desk. Here it is right here. I'm gonna show you exactly where I'm at. So, first things first, check this out. I've got this desk on this side with all my lights and cameras set up here, and then I've got my iMac Pro right here. I've got this old desk right here in between, and then here is the beautiful shot, the KRK speakers, my old command center custom-made PC that's got some RGB lights, the floating monitor set up here with the little gaming mat and the wireless mouse and keyboard, and then finally the other KRK speaker. So this is it. Wow, everybody, thank you so much for watching. This is exactly how the desk setup looks now that I'm completed. It was a lot of work, but I'm so glad that I did it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. You can see behind me, I've got the Ikea kitchen countertop as a desk with my KRK speakers on it. Obviously my monitor right here, and then of course, my custom-made RGB gaming computer, and then of course the cabinets right here on the bottom. Cabinets on the bottom where I'm actually supporting the desk so that it doesn't fall down. There's nothing in between. This is the shot I was looking for, where it's directly on me as the camera, and then you've got all the equipment behind me. So that's exactly what I wanted. This is exactly the product I was hoping to create, and I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did it. So that's why I made this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or want to know anything else, just let me know. I've put all the links in the description, and I'm looking forward to it. And I'll see you next time.